in an interconference?
I think we're getting a lot of contributions from different guys. Obviously, Berto and Shoni are a big part of what we do. I think they're two of the top young guards in the league. Obviously, Berto's been around for a little bit, but I thought their aggressiveness early in the game set the tone. Sempre si DJ, he's been solid these first 3 games, as we need him to be. But again, really happy with the effort from the entire group.
The floor is now open if the media has any questions.
Coach, last game, you lost the big lead in the fourth quarter. Was this part of your discussion prior to this game or even before the fourth quarter?
Absolutely. As I told the guys, as we go along this conference, our growth is going to be a big key. And again, last game against Terra Firma, you give them credit. They made a lot of tough shots in the fourth quarter. But I thought tonight, we did a much better job of just staying consistent with our game plan, both offensively and defensively. And again, it started with Berto and Shoni. And really, I thought our bench guys were great too. Got a lot of impactful minutes from everyone, which was great.
Bert, congratulations. 29-7 for tonight. Best scoring game mo since tumagin ko si describe mo lang yung contribution mo offensively, not just in scoring but also facilitating the offense.
Yun nga, binibigyan lang namin yung best namin every game. Si coach binibigyan niya lahat ng kumpiyansa, lahat ng players pagpasok. So, lahat kami confident sa lahat ng tira namin. So, pag pinapasahan ko yung kasama ko, alam kong kumpiyansa sila. So, this conference, kami nga nag-usap kami ni coach tsaka sa coaching staff. Dami kaming scorers itong team, may import kami, new system kami, fast pace kami, ang ganda namin tingnan sa loob. The way we share the ball, yun nga. And so nakapokus talaga ako ngayon sa depensa rin. Yun yung gusto din ni coach sa akin. So couple of games talagang binibigay ko yung best ko sa depensa. So itong game na to medyo mainit na sa simula. So yun, continue lang yun.
Kumusta yung transition kay Coach Jimmy and nasa ka na in terms of yung nag-gets mo na yung gusto niyang palakad sa akin?
Yun nga, una, coach, legend na nga sa PBA, legend pa sa Gilas, tapos may NBA experience. So, ang laking confidence, hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa team. Meron kami lang nakakasabi, may NBA coach kami. So, that's malaking bagay sa team namin yan. So, kita mo naman paano kami naglalaro, paano kami as a team. Yung unang pasok ni coach, gusto niya, hindi kami as a team, family-oriented yung gusto niya. So, nakikita mo yung samahan namin, hindi na as a team. We are a family. So, continue lang namin. For sure, si coach hindi pa masaya, lalo na yung third quarter na 39 points binigay namin sa kanila. I think, for sure, next practice namin, may mga videos na gusto ipakita si coach. Pero, first, second, and fourth, yung depensa namin, yun talaga yung kailangan namin i-set the whole game.
Coach, you won all 3 games in a span of 6 days, and I believe your next game is on the 26th. So the next 2 weeks will give you more time to give your team to know the team more.
For sure. I think the next 2 weeks are going to be very important for us. Again, just to continue to work, continue to build. Kasi siyempre yung games coming up, see with San Miguel, tapos I think Converge, and then of course Talking Tech. So these next 2 weeks will be very important. Just for us to continue to build on these first 3 games. But again, really happy with yung effort nila. I think again everybody who's playing is having a positive impact on the game, which has been great.
Coach Jim, good evening. Do you feel the game against San Miguel will be your biggest test so far this squad?
I think up to this point, yes. I mean, nandun pa si Junmar, right? I mean, he's dominated this league for years. So I think it'll be a great test for us. Not just for our big guys, but I think for our entire team. You know, a team that has really stamped its I think San Miguel has really stamped, you know, their legacy in this league with their dominance behind Junmar. So great challenge for our guys, especially this early in the conference, and we have some time to prepare.
You've been part of San Miguel before.
Yes, I've seen the talent. I've seen the chemistry there, and we're still building on that. You know, my vision is hopefully we'll get there at some point down the road. But a great challenge ahead. And before I forget, definitely want to, you know, I'm happy that we got this win tonight. But I want to give a special shout out to Boss MVP celebrating his birthday today. You know, grateful for this opportunity. You know, to be here with the team.
Boss, happy birthday, boss. Boss, happy birthday. Salamat sa mga bonus.
Let's give one more. Who's the better shooter? You or
Berto.
Berto? You challenge him during
Nah, not yet.
Really ka?
Maybe during the break, during the long break, maybe.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Salamat.
Salamat. Thank you.
That concludes our post-game press conference.